Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So overall, we start here at the high level picture and then I give you three possibilities that can unfold now, and I'm going to tell you which levels need to be broken to get into which scenario with a higher likelihood. My view is at the moment that Ethereum created already its first impulse to the upside, that this was a wave 5. It's not an ideal wave 5, but it can work like that. There's a couple of other possibilities, but this for me is currently the most likely one, because in the other scenario I have to work with an overshooting wave B, which isn't great. And the other scenario is basically that all of this was just a corrective move and we're now coming down impulsively. I mean, that is possible with a 35% probability. But as long as we hold above $1,000, I would not make that, or let's say I would not focus on the bearish scenario here. We still need to be aware that it's possible and that we could without a problem go below $880, but it is for me at the moment less likely than the bullish scenarios. And again, the $1,000 level is very important here. Now, if this means that this was the wave 1, then it means that we are probably already coming down in a wave 2. The wave 2 consists of 3 waves, A, B, C. Okay, and as you can see here, what I would assume is that we have not yet quite finished the wave A. So I'm waiting for that still to unfold. And I would wait for one more dip in a wave 5 here of the wave A. This scenario will remain active as long as we stay below 1740, 1740. Why is that? Because the wave 4, which is in my opinion currently unfolding, can go as high as the 50% fib level, and that is at 1740. I just need to do that accurately here, but it is at 1740 plus minus $1 or something, yeah. But if we go impulsively above 1740, this is probably not working out anymore, this scenario of a wave 4. That means if we go above that level, we go into the next scenario. Again, primarily, however, I would believe that below 1740, we will reverse down, finish off this wave A, and will then move in a wave B. Again, if we go already above 1740 now, then we have to assume that wave 4 was already in here and wave 5 was already in here, that the wave A was already finished there. That means then in that scenario, if we go above 1740, we would then go into the wave B already. This is then the next likely scenario, that here we are not going to do this wave down anymore. We are going straight away into wave B, that the wave B is already unfolding, and we will then come down in a wave C. Now, if this is the case, how high can the wave B actually go? Let's take then a look at the likely Fibonacci retracement levels for wave B. And to be fair, it wouldn't be much higher. The wave B retracement could come into the region of 1777, that's the 50% fib level, all the way up to 1921, the 78.6. So it can go a little bit higher before we come down in the wave C. Should we, and to be honest, clarity we will only have if we really break above $2,030. Only if we go above that level. I would prioritize then, if we go above that level, it's not the wave B anymore, then it will be already the possibly already the wave 3, or alternatively, and then we would need to look into a different wave count, but the wave 5 was never finished, okay? But that would only really happen if we go above 2030, and I would be seriously surprised if we get that high without a retracement before. So I hope that is clear. That is for me the least likely option of all these 3 bullish possibilities. The least likely one is that we go straight away here higher without a retracement into this green area, which is between 1440 and 1230. So yeah, Summary, most likely scenario, first a wave down in a wave A, finish off the wave A, then a move up in a wave B, then coming down in wave C into this region between 1230 and 1440. Second possibility, we go up straight away in wave B and then come down so that we're already in the wave B. In that scenario, we can go a bit higher, all the way up to 1921, maybe even higher, but it would be less likely. Third scenario is that we have a breakout scenario already, that we're already in an impulse to the upside and will break above the $2030 level, but we can really only move into this scenario above 2030. And I would be surprised if we do that. So in any scenario, I would generally expect rising prices, but before that a small dip and then go up. So generally, however, tendency to the upside before we come down in a wave C. Just be careful in the primary scenario. Now we've already moved up quite a bit. So I bought down here. Yeah, I made the channel members aware when I bought, not Ethereum, I bought Bitcoin and ADA and I think it was Sandbox. We were down here, yeah, but I'm not realizing any profits because for me that's not substantial enough, even though I assume we come down once more. But maybe when we then move up in a wave B, you know, I will realize some more profits. Good, and that's my view about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.